Hi BrewTube, it's been a while since we've done a video and we're just bottling some beer from our keg. So we thought we'd talk through how this cat pressure bottle filler works. Just a quick video, just a couple of minutes. We've got our keg of beer that we need to bottle because we need the keg for something else, and this is about a 12% Imperial IPA. It's not the sort of thing we need on tap. So the keg is connected up to the cat pressure bottle filler, as is the gas. So we've got a gas line here that goes into the keg and one to the bottle filler. And this is just an eBay special, AliExpress type £30 piece of kit, but it means we can bottle the beer without any oxygen and it retains that carbonation in the beer. So we'll just run through how that works. Get a bottle of that sanitizer in there. Okay, so what we do is, it's a little bit of a faff, but not too bad. So the point of the counter pressure bottle filler is it pressurizes the bottles the same pressure as the keg, so that the beer doesn't fob up and also you don't get any oxygen in there. So the first thing we do is we turn that, and that lets CO2 into the keg. So now the keg's pressurized. The bottle's pressurized. That there vents out, so they're venting out the oxygen or the air. And now we've got a bottle, not a keg, apologise, full of CO2. So we twist this, and then that will let the beer in. It has to be vented slightly. There we go. So as the beer flows in, that vent controls the CO2 coming out of the bottle, and hopefully if you just get it set correctly, you should get minimal foaming in the bottle, and it will fill fairly slowly. Bottle's getting near full. The foam will come out of this tube here. So I just open that a bit and close it off. Okay, so I close that down. That's air and CO2 and beer closed. I open this to vent any pressure out the bottle, and we have one beer bottle that we can now cap. Simple as that. So until our next video, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.
Cheers.